Let's have a quick look at some of the setups which are showing up in the scans and some of the good setups. So let's start by looking at some short setups. So UL, basically the stock uh, closed 12% down, closed near the low, and kept going down throughout the day. So that is like, and if you caught it early, that was good. Melee, see here, this is a down move, this small counter trend bounce which has failed. I would have liked the stock to close near the low. Centrip, another stock, big breakdown. See on volume, if you see volume is also high. Apple, this is the best short setup probably in terms of like with the potential to make a move up 10 to 20%. So those are the short setups. On the long side, you have XHB, which is a spider ETF for home builders, and that's breaking out. There's the first leg of the move, orderly sideways move, breaking out, close near the high. Similarly, ITB is like similar, the iShares for home builders, and you'll see that they are also breaking out. DHI, obviously, if the ETFs are breaking out, like you have DHI, which is a very nice setup, which was also an anticipation setup, and it had a breakout. So it's up only 2.46%, but like that's the kind of breakout which you want, like because the risk is lower. Rush Enterprises, so which is again like say very orderly. These are the kind of A quality setups you want to see, like up leg, very orderly, sideways move, didn't really ended up giving up much of the gain, was a anticipation setup and had a breakout. So if you do good work on your anticipation, you'll find many of these kind of setup. MRTX, see here, very nice setup, gap up, orderly pullback. This leg was 52%, sideways, didn't give up any of the gains. This entire move is within this particular candle, like say whatever was this, so it is, and then now it is breaking out. So that's a very nice setup. Yeah, Webstar Financials, some of the banking stocks are breaking out, the regional bank stocks. So this is like a good setup. From a longer term consolidation, stock is breaking out. Earnings is 10.19. So I don't know whether the earning was today mornings, but HBSC, and again another regional bank. You'll see that a lot of regional banks are breaking out. So close near the high, that's a good setup. And this was a pullback buy, which I like, and I said on the timeline when it was just about breaking out. And if you caught it, like that's a good move, $3.30 move. That was a very nice setup. QD, which is like a IPO, which had a breakout. It's just like 2 days, but it has the breakout. But it's already up 19%. So unless you caught it early, which you might have caught it because a lot of members pointed it out as a setup. That was a very nice setup, closed near the high. So that's like some of the setups which are good setups from today's scans.